How does skin flooding work? There are three main principles that determine how effective skin barrier repair is. Layering in K-beauty skincare routines means starting with what is the most lightweight form of skincare, such as a serum, followed by a lotion, an emulsion, and a cream formula. And essentially, it helps to increase the concentration of active ingredients that is ultimately applied on your skin. Splitting the ingredients up into different skincare steps does have certain benefits from a formulation standpoint. For instance, you can increase the concentration of certain ingredients, for example, hyaluronic acid in pure serum formulas, whereas ceramide is more effectively absorbed in a slightly oilier vehicle, such as an emulsion or a cream form. But here's a hack to skin flooding. What you really want to do if you are a skin minimalist is to increase the two factors I've described here, which essentially is enhancing the absorption of skincare as well as delivering the ingredient in a more effective manner. Now, wet occlusion therapy or sheet masking essentially is the concept of applying creams or other forms of skincare on slightly damp skin that increases cutaneous absorption. But if you've heard of aquapeel or hydrofacials, that's essentially hydrodermabrasion. Hydrodermabrasion enhances absorption of skincare, in this case the medifacial solutions, by applying vacuum pressure, and in studies this has been proven to increase absorption of cosmeceuticals, and that's why Korean medifacials do show quite instantaneous effects. You can use a pore vacuum, for instance, to simulate the vacuum pressure on your skin, but the key really is to use a solution containing active ingredients, but be careful not to do it over irritated skin or areas of inflamed acne. For the final point, you can simply choose a multi-weighted molecular formula of hyaluronic acid that can improve skin barrier repair.